name is Mikala Patricia, 7th grade C. Now I want to present a favorite place of mine and I will describe the place. My favorite place is the Piso Waterfall. That place I also visited when I was on vacation. This place is located in the Kara district. I like this place because it has a very nice natural beauty. In this place, you can also feel the coolness because the temperature is very cold. But sometimes it is also hot even though not too much. Although the atmosphere is quite noisy because of the sound of water falling and sounding very loud. There are also many merchants who sell accessories, clothes, and souvenirs. There is also a photo place where there is also the beauty of the waterfall. Even in every part of the place is good for a photo place because there are also many fresh, colorful flowers that make visitors interested to take pictures there. There are also stairs that have quite a lot of stairs there too. Many people take pictures with family, alone, or with friends. When the trip into the waterfall tourist site later, we will see many beautiful places also along the road, so we are not bored because the entrance is quite long. That I remember a lot of tree houses, trash wooden houses along the entrance. Well, that's my favorite place. I also like a place that can enjoy its natural beauty. That's all from the video of my presentation. Thank you.